If I said that just a small compound can help you walk lightly for another 10, 20 years, would you believe it? It sounds like a science fiction story, but in fact, that is the hope of many people when it comes to glucosamine, a silent friend of joints. I have met many patients, from manual workers, athletes, to uncles and aunts over 60, all asking the same question. Doctor, will taking glucosamine help me get rid of joint pain? And my answer often begins with a story like this. Glucosamine, to put it simply, is the raw material that builds cartilage. Imagine cartilage as a soft cushion between the ends of the bones, and synovial fluid is the lubricant that helps the gears operate smoothly. Every time you walk, stand up, or sit down, a series of micro-movements take place. Without that layer of cartilage and synovial fluid, the ends of the bones will rub directly against each other, causing pain, swelling, and even joint deformity. That is why doctors prescribe glucosamine early for those who begin to show signs of degeneration, herniation, or arthritis. It helps provide the raw materials for the body to regenerate and maintain this cushion. But our bodies are not always rich in glucosamine. When we are young, the amount of endogenous glucosamine is enough to keep our cartilage healthy, our synovial fluid abundant, and we can run and jump without thinking. However, time does not spare anyone. After the age of 35-40, the amount of glucosamine begins to decrease. The production of new cartilage slows down, and the synovial fluid decreases. That is when many people begin to hear creaking sounds when going upstairs, feel stiff joints in the morning, or have dull pain when standing for a long time. It is hoped that glucosamine supplementation can slow down this aging process, just like you regularly add oil to a machine to make it run more durably. Glucosamine not only helps create new cartilage tissue, but also stimulates the secretion of synovial fluid, reducing friction between the ends of bones. When you maintain a stable amount of glucosamine, daily movements, even the smallest gestures, will become smoother. It is worth mentioning that many people seek glucosamine not only to treat their illness, but also to invest in the future of their feet. Because everyone knows that losing joint health not only means difficulty walking, but also affects the quality of life, from exercising, working, to enjoying long trips. So, if only one compound can help us prolong the life of our joints and keep our movements smooth, should we ignore it? That question has led us on a journey of discovery. What will really happen if you supplement glucosamine regularly for the first 30 days? And why its story is so different from what many people imagine. When a patient is first prescribed glucosamine, most of them have a very mundane expectation. Take a few pills and the pain will go away. I often have to smile and explain right away that glucosamine is not a miracle drug like paracetamol or other strong anti-inflammatory painkillers. It is not designed to immediately relieve pain, but to nourish the joint structure, a process that takes time, sometimes a lot of time. During the first week, most patients do not feel any obvious changes. You may still hear a creaking sound when getting out of bed in the morning, still feel a little sore in the knee after a long walk. Some people even experience some mild side effects: itchy skin, stomach upset, or for diabetics, a slight increase in blood sugar. This is completely reasonable because most glucosamine on the market is extracted from shrimp and crab shells, seafood that can easily cause allergies in some sensitive people. And here is an interesting fact that many people do not know. Not all glucosamine is the same. The two most common forms on the market are glucosamine sulfate and glucosamine hydrochloride. Some studies have shown that the sulfate form is better absorbed, helping to increase the effectiveness in maintaining cartilage structure. However, the most important factors are still the dosage, purity, and the patience of the user. I remember once, a male patient around 50 years old came for a follow-up visit after only 2 weeks of taking the medicine. He said, "Doctor, I've been taking it, but I don't feel any better. I think I'll give up." I asked again, How long did it take for your joints to degenerate to this extent? He thought for a moment and said, "Probably more than 10 years." I laughed. "So you expect 2 weeks to recover 10 years of damage?" That story made him understand that glucosamine is not an instant miracle, but like you patiently take care of a tree. Fertilize, water, wait for it to grow. If you stick with this nothing phase, the rest of your journey will begin to reveal positive signs. But before we get there, it's important to understand that taking glucosamine is like laying the first brick in a building. It may not look good right away, but without it, the building will never be complete. As you enter the 3rd or 4th week of your glucosamine journey, some changes begin to appear. They're not dramatic improvements that will blow your mind, but rather subtle but very valuable signs. Many patients report that they no longer feel their joints creak as much as before. The creaking noise when climbing stairs has lessened. Mornings where they used to have to stand up slowly before they could walk, they can now move more easily. This change is often more pronounced in people with mild or moderate arthritis. In severe cases of degeneration, when the cartilage layer has almost worn away and the joint begins to deform, the effect of glucosamine is quite limited. The reason is that glucosamine cannot completely regenerate the lost cartilage layer, but can only support the protection and strengthening of the remaining cartilage, slowing down the degeneration process. A large-scale clinical study at the U.S. Institute of Medicine conducted on more than 1,500 people showed that glucosamine helps reduce mild to moderate inflammation, improve mobility, and reduce discomfort when moving. However, in the group of patients with severe inflammation or end-stage osteoarthritis, the recorded effect was insignificant. This is completely consistent with the mechanism of action of glucosamine. It acts as a raw material and a regulator of the joint environment, not an immediate regeneration method. From a biological perspective, glucosamine has the ability to inhibit some cartilage-destroying enzymes, such as ADAMTS5 and MMP, which are the main factors that cause cartilage to gradually erode over time. At the same time, glucosamine stimulates cartilage cells to produce proteoglycan and type 2 collagen, 2 important components that help cartilage to be more elastic and resilient. These changes occur silently, without creating a feeling of immediate improvement, but are a solid foundation to help joints maintain strength and flexibility in the future. If you continue to persevere, these initial signals will become increasingly clearer, especially when entering the important stage from the 3rd month onwards. That is when the body has enough time to absorb, metabolize, and turn glucosamine into a solid protective layer for the joints. To achieve this result, you need to understand that using glucosamine is a long-term journey like running a long distance, not a short-term race. When we talk about the most obvious effects of glucosamine, the period from the 3rd to the 6th month is the golden period. This is when most users can feel the most obvious difference. The dull pain gradually decreases. The feeling of morning stiffness is no longer prolonged. Standing up, sitting down, or walking long distances becomes easier. The crackling or rumbling sounds when moving also appear less. This is due to the accumulation process and the slow effect of glucosamine on the articular cartilage. When there is enough time for the body to use the supplemental glucosamine, the cartilage cells have the conditions to produce more proteoglycan and type 2 collagen, and at the same time the environment in the joint becomes less inflamed. Thanks to that, the articular cartilage retains its elasticity. The synovial fluid is enough to lubricate, reduce friction between the ends of the bones, and prevent new damage. However, glucosamine alone is often not the only key. Studies in the UK have shown that when used alone, glucosamine is unlikely to provide rapid and clear improvements in pain. To optimize effectiveness, it should be combined with other supportive measures. For example, supplementing with chondroitin, derived from shark fin cartilage, helps reduce inflammation more strongly, or combining it with omega-3 to increase the body's ability to fight inflammation. People with severe dry joints can take additional type 2 collagen to nourish cartilage, while those with weak tendons, muscles, and ligaments should supplement with magnesium and calcium to improve the strength and flexibility of the musculoskeletal system. In addition, diet and exercise play a very important role. A diet rich in antioxidants from green vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and nuts will help reduce inflammation and nourish connective tissue. Reasonable exercise, such as walking, swimming, or yoga, helps increase blood circulation to the joints, nourish cartilage, and maintain flexible range of motion. When these factors are combined with glucosamine, the effect of protecting and improving joints will be much stronger than just taking a single supplement. When you understand that glucosamine is not an immediate solution but a long-term strategy, you will see that perseverance is completely worth it. Because every day you drink regularly, exercise moderately, and nourish your joints with a reasonable diet, you are gradually extending your mobility. At the end of 6 months of using glucosamine, you will realize one important thing. The most valuable thing is not the immediate pain relief, but the feeling that your joints are still moving smoothly and more flexibly than before. Many people share that they feel younger by a few years in terms of movement, can walk long distances, climb stairs, even play light sports again that they had to give up because of pain and stiffness. This is the core value of glucosamine. It is not a miracle that erases all pain, but a silent companion, protecting every bit of joint health over time. By providing the raw materials to maintain cartilage structure, stimulating synovial fluid secretion, and reducing mild inflammation, glucosamine helps you delay the degeneration process. And this means you have many more years of comfortable movement, away from the risks of joint replacement surgery, or losing the ability to walk independently. However, to achieve this result, you need to remember that glucosamine is not a magic bullet. It needs to be placed in a comprehensive joint care strategy. This includes maintaining a reasonable weight to reduce pressure on the knee and hip joints, maintaining a daily exercise routine, avoiding activities that cause repetitive joint damage, and supplementing with appropriate nutrition. Experts also recommend evaluating the effectiveness of glucosamine after about 6 months of use. If you have mild to moderate inflammation and see a clear improvement, you can continue to maintain it to protect your joints long-term. If you do not see significant changes, your doctor can adjust the regimen or combine other methods to achieve optimal results. Think of glucosamine as planting a garden. You cannot expect the garden to be covered with flowers and leaves after just 1 week of sowing seeds. But if you are patient in caring for, watering, and protecting against pests, after a few months you will enjoy a beautiful green space. The same goes for your joints. Patiently caring for them today will help you enjoy a full, active life tomorrow. And like a long-running movie, the journey of caring for joints with glucosamine does not end after just 6 months. If you really want to maintain the sustainability of your musculoskeletal system, consider it part of your lifestyle. Just like brushing your teeth every day to keep your teeth strong, taking glucosamine and adopting good habits for your joints is also a way to maintain your machine of movement for many years. It is important to understand the limitations of glucosamine. In severe cases of osteoarthritis, where most of the cartilage has been lost or severe arthritis has occurred, glucosamine cannot completely restore the lost structure. At this point, its role is more like a weak shield, only helping to slow down the destruction rather than reverse the situation. But for those in the early or intermediate stages of degeneration, it is like a silent guardian, persistently preserving every bit of cartilage tissue left. Modern science is also continuing to research combining glucosamine with other compounds to increase effectiveness. Some trials have shown that the combination of glucosamine, chondroitin, type 2 collagen, and omega-3 fatty acids not only improves symptoms but can also reduce inflammatory markers in blood tests. In addition, A low-sugar, high-fiber lifestyle rich in anti-inflammatory foods such as fatty fish, berries, green tea, turmeric, ginger, etc. also creates an ideal environment for glucosamine to maximize its ability to protect joints. Remember that your body is a unified whole. When you take care of your sleep, reduce stress, maintain a reasonable weight, and exercise regularly, all organs will coordinate more smoothly, including your joints. And when your joints are healthy, life becomes freer. You can walk to watch the sunset, climb a hill to take a beautiful photo, or simply squat down to tie your shoelaces without feeling pain. Finally, consider glucosamine not a simple pill, but a daily reminder that joint health is a long journey, requiring patience, self-love, and understanding of your body. You are investing in your own future, so that every step you take will be steady and full of vitality. Thank you for joining me on this journey to learn about glucosamine and joint health. Hopefully, after listening to all of today's sharing, you will not only have a better understanding of how glucosamine works, but also have more motivation to take care of your joints in a more proactive and scientific way. Remember, there is no secret to healthy joints overnight. Joint health is the result of perseverance, a gift that you give yourself every day. If the information in this conversation is useful, don't forget to share it with your relatives and friends, especially those who are interested in protecting their bones and joints. Maybe just one introduction from you today will help someone reduce years of suffering from dull pain and maintain freedom of movement for longer. I always believe that taking care of your health is not a dry duty, but an inspiring journey, where you learn to love your body, appreciate every step, and enjoy every moment of healthy living. And if you want to continue discovering interesting scientific knowledge and practical tips to help maintain long-term health, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss any new content. See you in the next chats, where we will continue our journey to discover the secrets of the body, expand our understanding, and turn knowledge into power to live a full, flexible, and limitless life. If you want to accompany us for a long time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any useful knowledge for your health.